Hello friend, welcome to my channel. This is Abhay with you. Once again, today I am going to review one more new product. This product name is Chronos Manager. This product is created by my friend Sai Krishna. So see, time management is the important aspect in any of the field. Like whether you are doing your job or you are doing any local business or you are doing this online marketing as well. So everywhere, time management is the very important. So time management is the skill. See, everybody have a 24-hour in their hand. Okay. So instead of that, some of the people are at peak of the success, but still some of the people are struggling for the success. So why this is happened? So the basic reason is that the people who are at the peak of success, they will manage their time very well. Okay. So because see, everyone have a same time in their hand, but the successful people manage their each and every time very preciously. Okay, so they are plan their various tasks in organically way. Okay, and they have keep record of this all their timing where they have spent and they have planned their various activity in advance. So in normal, when we doing some planning or this thing or in doing any task, that time we use that stick post, okay, where we write something or task or that, and we are pasted at somewhere. Okay, once our task is finished, so that also stick post also gone. Okay, so we are not able to track our time, or in other way you can say you are not able to audit your times. So where you have spent time, so which activity you have given what amount of time. Okay, so here this software role comes in the picture. Okay, so this Chronos Manager is a cloud-based software which is act as your personal time manager. Okay, so by using this Chrono Manager, you will find that you can plan in better way. Okay, so that you have a sufficient activity for your any of the activity, because you have planned your activity in advance. Okay, so this software is nothing but a time manager software. Okay, where you can plan your various activity. So it's a cloud based software and no need to download or install this thing. Okay, and it's a easy to use. It's 100% newbie friendly. And one more thing, this software is integrated with Manchai.com. So in advance, you can plan your product launches, or if you want to promote any product. So this software is already integrated with Manchai, from where you can know which product to promote and all these things. So it will be easy for you. Okay, in that, with the help of this software, you can create your event calendar, or in this software there is a inbuilt note maker is there. So there you can put your notes and to-do list also. So what activity, what task you have to do, you have planned for that day, that the record you can keep in this software. So here you will get the access to member area, and there is a training is also there. So in that training you will learn how to effectively use this software. So here zero monthly fees is there. It's a one-time cost software. Okay, and apart from this, you will get 30 days money back guarantee for this software. And in this software, you will get the dedicated support also. If you stuck up at any point, you can contact to their support team. So today, I have a great offer for you. If you like this product and if you purchase this product through my link, you will get the attractive bonuses from my side, which will act as an add-on for this software. And at the same time, you will get the vendor bonuses as well. The link is already given in the description. You have to just click on that link so that it will redirect you to the sales page where you can get this product along with the bonuses. So today I am going to review this product. So first I will take you through my bonus page, then we will review this member area, and then we will check the price and OTO prices. So let's start our review. So we are on my bonus page. So this product Chronos Manager is going to launch today 18th August at 9 AM EST, that is Eastern Standard Time. So these bonuses is only for limited time frame. So once this timer goes off, these bonuses will also gone. So you have to grab this product before this timer goes to 0, so that you can avail the bonuses which is offering by me. So my bonus number 1, access 0 to 100 in 24 hours. So this tutorial is created by my mentor Jono Armstrong. So here Jono revealed the various hacks and strategy what he have implemented, so that you will learn how to earn this $100 in 24 hours. So here no need to use any email list. In organically way you will earn this money. So this you will learn in this tutorial. My bonus number 2, 10 local SEO hacks so that you probably don't know. Means actually see, in this bonus tutorial you will learn the various SEO hacks so that you can rank your website, and ultimately you will get the huge buyer traffic, so that it will help you to grow your business and earn the commission. My bonus number 3, 200 copy paste emails. In this tutorial you will get the some templates for your emails. Like here you will get 2000 copy paste email templates, so that this you can use to promote your any product or to run any campaign. My bonus number 4, access automatic done for you. So this is also created by my mentor Jono Armstrong. So in this tutorial you will get the access to automatic done for you. Here you will get the various inbuilt done for you that you can use to promote any product or for your online business. So my bonus number 5, you will get the all vendor bonuses. So this is from bonus area. So now I'll take you through the member area. So I have logged into this member area. Here you will see this calendar, note maker, and to do and upcoming product. So first we'll go through this upcoming product. So as I told, it is integrated with Manchai. So here by clicking on that, you will directly go to this Manchai page where you can see what are the products which are going to release on which date and everything. The schedule is given, so that according to that you have to just simply click on any of the product, and you can, if you want to promote that product, so that you can apply for that product, and you can schedule your plan how to promote that product. Means like you by creating YouTube video or by promoting on some site, everything. Means actually you can do each and everything, and you can plan that. I'll show you how you can plan that. You can use this template or you can edit as per your requirement. So I'll delete this. So I'll paste my own template. Okay, so here I can put my affiliate link, sales page link, JV document, review access, and these are the some bonuses, which bonus I'm going to avail or want to give my buyers. So these are the various bonus link I can put here. Vendor bonuses link also I can put here. Okay, so here entirely I can plan this activity till the promotion of that video, and here I can put this YouTube video link and so on. So that I can track this, and after 1 month also, whenever I want to revisit here, so I can check whether I'm going in the right direction or not. So in notes, so here in notes you can edit, you can put your notes, the various upcoming notes, at what time what activity to be done, everything you can simply keep here. Okay, so that you can track your notes, and you can see what number of activity you have completed or not, so that you can track your task from here. In this to-do list, here for it's a short-term activity, means actually for that particular day, what activity you have to do, what activity you have to complete that for that day. So here you can track that activity. You can click here what activity is completed and what are the activity balance, so that you can keep it for next day activity. So as per your requirement, you can plan and make the record of and track your to-do list from here. So this is the overall review from this member area. So I'll take you to the price part now. So we'll go through this price part. So this product Chrono Manager front end cost you around $37. In that, you will get the access to the powerful Chrono Manager software and training module. This upsell number 1, Chronos Manager for Android, that cost you around $27. Upsell number 2, Chronos Manager Plus, that cost you around $37. Downsell price is $27. Upsell number 3, one-to-one coaching, that cost you around $97 and downsell price is $77. Upsell number 4, launch a product with us, that cost you around $997. So these are the upsells. So I'll summarize this product. This is the cloud-based software which act as your personal time manager. Okay. So this is the planner. You can say like it's a planner. So where you can plan your various activity. So time management is important in any business. So with the help of this software, you can plan your various activity with the help of event calendar, notes maker, and to-do list. And it's integrated with Manchai also. So from where you can promote any of the product and track your progress. So I hope this review is helpful to you. If you like this product and if you want to purchase this product, the link is already given in the description. You have to just click on that link so that you will get this product, and along with that you will get my bonuses as well. So on this channel I'll come up with the upcoming product review video. So do subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please share this with your friend. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.